Hi, I'm Anshu Bhojnagarwala, the founder and chef of the Soul Kitchen. At the Soul Kitchen, we offer traditional and wholesome foods like ladoos, cookies, and trail mixes. They do not use any processed sugar, preservatives, artificial colors, or binders, but they are made with the best of ingredients and intentions. So, I founded the Soul Kitchen 2 years ago, but it actually started when my daughter, who was then 3 years old, and I visited a nearby mall. She wanted me to buy her a chocolate chip cookie, and I didn't want her to eat a maida cookie that was loaded with white sugar. So I promised her I would make her some cookies at home, and that's what I did. I baked some chocolate chip cookies using whole wheat flour, good quality dark chocolate chips, raw sugar, and white butter. She absolutely loved these cookies and started taking in her school dabba. Even her friends started enjoying these cookies. And that's when the idea germinated that why not offer these wholesome foods to other kids as well? After all, no one wants to feed low quality maida, processed sugar, and preservatives to the kids if healthier options were available. I endorse homemade khana because they're any day better than the world's most expensive foods.